On behalf of Expert Village, my name is George Engel with Mr. Fix-It Handyman in Miami, Florida. And today I'm going to be showing you how to set up and use and perform different cuts with a portable table saw. Okay, now I'm going to show you how basically everything to this saw has a place. That's why it's a portable table saw. This little part goes here. Has a little clip to lock it in. Make sure you get it in, otherwise it could fall out. This one's going to hang on the side like so. Okay, and then basically take the shroud off, also protect that. It is plastic, it can break if you leave it on. Plus we want to make sure we're going to lower our blade, get that out of the way so that nobody gets hurt. I don't know why they made that like that, but that goes like that. Let's lower our blade.